Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited because this is my first ever YouTube channel, guys. Yay! And what better way than to do it on Mother's Day? And I want to say happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. Guys, this is actually my Mother's Day gift to myself. You guys don't even know, this has been a long time coming. A long time coming. This has been something I've been wanting to do for a while, but just needed that push. And I think maybe quarantine, COVID-19, the whole fact that we have had to sit in the house has given me a chance to kind of evaluate myself and say, hey, you need to do what you've been wanting to do and you just need to start it. I think just doing something is the hardest part. I think we can all contest to that just doing it is the hardest part. So I'm super excited to be doing this, and like I said, doing it on Mother's Day. So today's episode is just gonna be getting to know a little bit about me. So a little bit about me, guys. I am 31 years old and I am a mom, as I said before, to a beautiful baby girl named Milan. She'll be 2 next month. So yeah, I'm in that terrible 2 stage. I'm originally from Detroit, Michigan, but I live in Atlanta, Georgia. And I'm super into DIYs. Guys, when I tell you, it's just always been something that's been instilled in me. My grandmother, she was an interior decorator. She still does things, and just watching her take beat up old things and just make them look really nice, that just always stuck with me. And so many people in my family can do those things, and I just think it's in my blood. And for me, why I really wanted to start this channel was that when I would Google or YouTube DIYers and just things, how to make things, I didn't really see a lot of representation. I didn't see a lot of representation of women of color, and I think that representation represents. Y'all know what I mean. And then I'm gonna show you guys a tour of the DIY vanity that I did myself for under $100 with everything. Furniture about under $80. So if you're interested in DIYs, mommy items, travel, and just pretty much doing all of those things on a budget, then keep watching. Hey guys, so as you can see, here is my vanity. I'll give you guys an overview and then I'll just tell you about where I got everything and how I did this, guys, on a budget. I want to say all of this furniture together was probably under $60. Yeah, just about under $60, maybe 80. So I want to first start, guys, with this mirror right here. I've had this for some years now, and it's a super cute mirror. I did get it off of Amazon. I'm gonna try to find the link for you guys. I even saw a rose gold one that was super cute. So yeah, guys, I got this mirror for $20. Over here, I keep my phone on this, and this is so neat, guys. This literally only cost me $4.99 on Amazon. I'll also put the link in the description for you guys too, but only $4.99. But I like to have my phone here, so when I'm doing my makeup, I can answer FaceTimes or answer calls, and I could be hands-free. I don't have to get makeup all on my phone and stuff. So this really comes in handy. Over here, guys, I have had this organizer for some years. I don't remember how much it was, but I will find something similar on Amazon and post a link in the description. Now, guys, what I love the most is this mirror. Look at how cute this mirror is, guys. This mirror, y'all, cost me $20 at Family Dollar. Okay, y'all? Family Dollar don't play, and Dollar General don't play, okay? So I got this mirror for $20 about 4 years ago. I have used this mirror in so many ways, but I finally decided to use it as my vanity because I was no longer needing this in my living room. If you're into decor, you go through changes, y'all, where you will have gold accents or you may have silver. And right now, I don't have any room for gold in my living room. I'm doing a rustic theme. So I just had this mirror sitting around, y'all. So what better way than to use it for my vanity? I could have went out and got a better mirror and, paid more money, but I just rather use some things that I already have. There's nothing wrong with using things you already have. Now these lights I will put in the description. It's not the best job, y'all. Let me step back. It's not the best job. It is a little rigged, but it serves its purpose. But I got these lights on Amazon, y'all, for $15.99. Now, y'all know Amazon prices change, so I'm just telling you how much it was when I got it. This was more so recent. I got this about 2 months ago. But yeah, it was only like $15.99. And literally, guys, you don't have to do what I did with the tape. You do not have to do that. But I just felt like it was more secure. There were stickers on the back that you could use to stick, which I did use those. But like I said, it really depends on what you prefer. If you have a super flat mirror that doesn't have any like bulges, you probably don't even need no tape. So moving on to this, I got this also from Walmart. I want to say that this, guys, I don't remember the price because I got it for so long ago, but knowing me, I did not spend more than $10 on these things. I just know me, and I do not, I don't play when it comes to getting things on sale. Moving along to here, guys. So guys, you would never know. This was once a candle. Yes, this was once a candle. It was baby blue originally, and I spray painted it gold because I wanted to have some gold accents with the fact that I have a gold mirror, just a couple of gold things. But I got this, guys, from At Home on sale for like $3.99. And I used it as a candle. It served its purpose. It was blue, and it was in my bathroom. And I just always loved the shape of this, so I never threw it away. I bought this like 2 years ago. And I was just like, what can I do with this? Because the candle is gone. And then I said, you know what? I can use it as a makeup holder. And then I just thought, hey, why not spray paint it gold? So then I had this also from At Home. And this was supposed to just be used for like holding flowers. And it wasn't really serving its purpose either. I just had it tucked away. And just a reminder, guys, if you have things in your house that is not serving a purpose and you're like me, don't throw it away. Refurbish it, paint it, do something, use it in a different part of your house, but do not throw it away. Don't throw it away. I use the same spray paint, but obviously there were 2 different colors. So, you know, but they look pretty fine to me. This right here I actually got from Forever 21, guys, and it was on sale for $8. I think they originally wanted like 20, but I got it for $8. It's on sale. And then this little thing right here, if you shop at the Dollar Tree, then you already know where this came from. Yes, this was $1. And I just got this to put my skincare items in here. I wanted something to put my skincare items in. And I didn't want to spend a lot of money. And I saw this at the dollar store. And I was like, you know what? I can place all my little moisturizers and serums in here. Now, guys, as for the shelves themselves, I actually got this from Target. And this was actually on sale, guys. This shelf is normally $29.99. So if you have seen this at Target, it was $29.99. And I think a lot of them have them on sale. But I actually got this on sale for $22.99. And y'all, there's nothing like getting a sale and then finding out that they had a better sale at another Target. So this is actually on sale for $14.99 at another Target. So if you are lucky, guys, you can get this for $14.99. Originally $30. I did get it for $22.99. So I didn't pay full price, so it's all good. And then these 2 shelves match. They're actually the same exact company, just obviously smaller. And you get 2, guys, for $15.99. So you cannot beat that. So $15.99 for these 2. Now, moving on to the stool. Y'all, this stool has been in my life for a long, long time. So I got this stool originally from IKEA. So if you know those little cheap IKEA stools, what are they? $5, $10? Probably less than that. And a lot of places be having them on sale, like thrift stores. I see them in all the time. So what I did with this, guys, obviously, I spray painted the legs gold. It was originally white. I just used the same spray paint that I use for my makeup holders. And I used some gold spray paint, guys, to spray paint the legs. And then you guys would not believe what this top was. So guys, as I said, I'm a mom. I originally purchased this from my daughter's room off of eBay. This rug was $5. It came from China. So I pulled it out, and at first when you sit it on top, guys, it looks like a rug. So when I tell you it didn't look good. So what I did was, and I will turn it over. Dun, 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 dun. And this is still white, y'all. Don't judge me. I actually got some E6000 glue, which is my best friend. If you're an event planner, if you do DIYs, and you know all about E6000 glue. And it was probably what, $4 at Home Depot. And I just used E6000 glue, y'all, on the back of the rug and on the actual stool. So I recommend putting the E6000 on section by section and literally just holding it down for dear life and letting it dry upside down, y'all, for at least 24 hours. If you try to get fancy and flip it up, it will not work. So give it at least 24 hours, guys. So that is pretty much it, you guys. This is my DIY vanity that I did on a super budget. I hope that you like this tutorial, and I hope that it inspires you guys to get out and do something on your own. Like, get inspired, guys. Create that vision that you've been, thinking about. If you wanted to do a vanity yourself and you felt like you didn't have the money to have, a vanity impressions, even though I love them, I can't wait, to get one, for Christmas maybe. But for now, I'm happy with my DIY vanity. It's something that I did for myself, and it was all done on a budget. So guys, if you like this, please subscribe to my channel again, because I'm going to have much more videos on things like this. And if you guys have any questions, or just even if you want to do like a what's on my vanity type of video, so I can go through and tell you guys like what I got and the prices and what I got on sale, I would love to do that too. But for now, guys, stay blessed and stay beautiful.